Hello guys, what's happening? So today I am back off to Hyde Park to check out what's been going on around the site for Winter Wonderland for this year. Now, a lot has happened since I last was at Hyde Park, including the release of this year's map for the event, which we'll talk a little bit about later on. I'm really excited to get back there and have another look at what's going on, so we'll see you soon. Here we are for the third construction update of Winter Wonderland. Here we go. I remember in the first update I said that this tent was the magical ice kingdom. It's actually the Nutcracker on Ice, or whatever the ice rink show is this year. Magical Ice Kingdom is just there. So that's the ice show. Magical Ice Kingdom is just there. Looks like they are putting the final touches on there. So we've got a mini fun house in Santaland, along with all the attractions there. Looping looks to be finished. You can see it. I do love that touch they've got on the wheel this year with the British flag. I think that's really classy. And that's a fun house, I think. So that's before, Mr. Bavarian is up. Hangover is up too. Not much has changed in terms of the Bavarian village. Still as it was when we were here the other day. So the festoons are new for this year. I don't remember them being around last year, which is just sort of like outlining the outer perimeter of the event. Like I said, I don't remember them being here last year, so that's new. There's the observation tower. We've got a finished looping. I'm just going to end it here. I know this has been a super quick update, just to let you know what's going on. The next update will be a bit longer, and I hope that you'll stay tuned and watch that. I will see you soon with another update. Goodbye.